Hello and welcome to Empower English. In this video, we'll learn about nature idioms with their meanings and examples. Let's get started. On cloud nine. Meaning, very happy. Example, he's been on cloud nine ever since she agreed to marry him. Up in the air. Meaning, something that's uncertain or unresolved. Example, our travel plans are still up in the air. Out of woods. Meaning, out of danger. Example, the nation's economy is not out of the woods yet. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, very rarely. Example, he comes to meet me once in a blue moon. Calm before the storm. Meaning, unusual or false quiet period before difficult times. Example, the meeting may be peaceful now, but this is only the calm before the storm. Steal someone's thunder. Meaning, to take attention away from someone, to steal an idea. Example, my friend stole my thunder when he told the teacher that he did all the work. Cuts no ice. Meaning, doesn't have any effect or influence. Example, I've heard her excuses and they cut no ice with me. A ray of sunshine. Meaning, a person who brings happiness into the lives of others. Example, he's a ray of sunshine. Many moons ago. Meaning, a very long time ago. Example, all that happened many moons ago. A drop in the ocean. Meaning, a very small amount compared with what is needed or expected. Example, your contribution to this project is just a drop in the ocean. Do you know more idioms related to nature? Please share them in the comments. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.